Okay, welcome to my kitchen laboratory. I am Dr. Crashini Landinsky. I am here to tell you about aerodynamic aero properties of papyrus products. I have studied many years. I am foremost leader in paper airplane making, as you say in America. I am finding it very difficult to find women. I will now show you, demonstrate the genuine properties or techniques to make a very basic airplane. So you watch me do this. I grab paper, I have my lunch here, I just pick from God, and don't mind that, it's so delicious. Okay, you take clean piece of paper, fold one of these away. And you want to make edges sure that they line very well, and then make a crease. You want to make a very sharp crease, very sharp. Oh, sweating a little bit, I'm getting very tense here. Okay, we make first crease very sharp, and then we turn, and you have a nice fold down middle, and you want to pull over this to a 45-degree angle, and make 90 in the center. Oh, it's getting very tense in here. Okay, they are clean that up a little bit, and now we are going to put a nice sharp crease there, very sharp. You want nice point at the point, very pointy. Pointy is nice. And then we take and we fold the second time. We'll take the right side, and then let's see that for later. And we'll put it there. Another very sharp crease, and then we fold it together, something like this. And then other side. Okay, and then the masterpiece of beauty.
Okay, do you ever decorate it, Professor?
Once in a while I will put racing stripes, or such you say, or something very fast looking. It looks like it's going fast even when it's sitting still. Very exciting. So we take and then we launch away. Oh, very sorry, Mr. Barner. I did not. Sorry about that.